Om Gurudeva Charanam Sharanam. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are assembled here to celebrate the centenary celebration of the Maha Sangamam between the Sri Narayana Gurudevan and Mahatma Gandhi. Let's begin the program with Guru Smarana. I humbly request Srimad Swami Sharadananda, Treasurer, Sri Narayana Dharma Sangam, Trust for Guru Smarana.
Om Yaddarshanam Nikhila Dukkaharam Pavitram Yatpada Pangajarajam Sakhanashagani